Mango Sago recipe, a refreshing summer dessert. If you're looking for a light, creamy, and fruity dessert to beat the summer heat, this mango sago is the perfect choice. Made with chewy sago pearls, fresh mango, fruit cocktail, and a creamy milk base, this dessert is both refreshing and satisfying. It's quick to prepare and tastes even better when chilled. Ingredients: sago pearls, 1 cup. Water for boiling sago. Fresh mango, 1 large cut into cubes. Fruit cocktail, 1 cup. Milk, 2.5 cups. Condensed milk, 2 tablespoons. Adjust for sweetness. Chia seeds, 2 tablespoons soaked in water. Ice cubes, optional for serving. Method: cook the sago. In a pot of boiling water, add 1 cup of sago pearls. Cook on high heat for 5 minutes. Then cover with a lid and simmer on low to medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes until the pearls turn translucent. Strain and rinse the sago with cold water to remove excess starch. Prepare the fruit. Cut the fresh mango into small cubes. Drain the fruit cocktail if using canned. Assemble the dessert. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked sago pearls, mango cubes, fruit cocktail, soaked chia seeds, milk, and condensed milk. Mix well until everything is evenly combined. Chill and serve. Add some ice cubes for an extra refreshing touch. Serve immediately or refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours before enjoying. Tips and variations. You can replace condensed milk with sugar or honey according to taste. For a creamier texture, add some coconut milk along with regular milk. Top with extra mango chunks or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a dessert-style treat. This easy mango sago recipe is perfect for parties, family gatherings, or simply as a quick after-meal dessert.